Alright, hey guys, so here we have another one of many fans that I brought back from Fanimation. This is a 36-inch TAT Industrial Ceiling Fan, model 36A. This is another fan that I've been wanting for quite a while. Although this particular version was not childhood, I just have always thought they were really cool. It's a bigger brother, the 56-inch version, however, is childhood. There's a auto body shop by me that has 2 or 3 of these installed. Maybe one day I'll try to buy them, I just haven't gotten around to it. If that fails, maybe I'll buckle down and buy Welker's, because I know Mark Welker has one that, I'm sure he doesn't want to sell because it is a pretty cool industrial, but I don't know. Anyways, take a look at this. Obviously it's not in great shape because it is an industrial. It got used in commercial settings. Plus when they get installed and uninstalled and kick around and etc, they do get a little messed up. So this fan I got from Matt Cody. He's definitely not an industrial kind of guy, so I'm not surprised that he sold it. But yeah, anyways, let's I guess let's just do 0 to high. So this is another one of those. It's kind of like the heat fan. It has a very specific rating. It's rated at 0.54 amps, not 0.5, not 0.6, just like 0.54. Let's see how close it comes to that. Now it is probably going to take a little bit to get up to speed because it does have a cast iron motor, and it's probably got like a little tiny, or a cast iron housing and a little tiny motor inside. So okay, so far it doesn't even come close. It started at 0.5 amp. It's already at 0.7. It's dropping some though. Yeah, getting a good breeze from it too. Probably just under that SOC that you can kind of see in the background. Definitely gusty. But it's not knock your socks off gusty. Let's see where we're at. Oh, 0.58. Once it got up to speed, it's still dropping a little bit. Let's see what it does. Don't forget to do it with the heat fan. I'm actually getting a decent breeze from the back here. Kind of comes in gusts. You spin down. So this is a light kit adaptable fan, although I'm not going to put a light kit on it. Bearings in this are also pretty good. So I guess I never really thought about it, but I had quite a few TATs that kind of caught my eye as a kid. I've already got one version. Obviously, like I said, I like to get the 56-inch version of this because that's another big one. And then there's I actually got the other version that I like, the Litex version or whatever, UFO motor type thing. That's probably going to be the next thing I test, and then after that I'm going to have to call it quits for today and come back because I still have quite a few. I mean, I don't have a lot of things. I mean, I've come back with, I've come back with like 15 fans at one time. What do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think 9 fans. Yeah. So we'll get 1/3 of them done today. Why is it still going? It's off, right? We got the sidewinder going. I can't imagine that pushing it. Okay, so the bearings are very good. So next up, decade capacitor. Starts on what, 3.15. .2. 5.25. Not a bad low speed there. I'm going to give it a second to get up to speed because, like I said, it's kind of got a heavy motor housing with a tiny little motor in there, so it might take a while. Yeah, that's really not a bad low speed. Let's go to 6. Seven. That would be your medium low with the immersion control. 8.4. 9.5. 10.53. So that'll be your medium low with a constant block of control. Actually, I believe that is over. Go to 11. That's interesting. Okay, so no, it's still 10. That's why. 11. Yeah, 0.56. Those are 0.68. Okay, so you could use this on a 4711. That's about it. At least safely. Yeah, either a 4711 or a 510. That's about it. Let's go ahead and do solid state. All right. We're at 0.25. So far silent. Go to 12 o'clock. 0.41. Still silent. 10:30. Still pretty quiet. I don't actually hear anything from it. And high. Yeah, 0.67. Alright. So that is my little TAT. I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.